Shall we move to the next topic then?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if this copy paste is done, now let's do some more copy paste. Now, imagine a situation when you have just going to copy this and you need to paste it in 5 sheets. Like I have having this sheet here, and यहाँ पे भी है, I have a blank sheet. मैं 2-4 और भी add कर देता हूँ. चलो. Now I have 5 blank sheets here. Could you see this? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now what I
Yes,
want to do
sir.
is I just want to copy this data to all these 5 sheets. तो अब हम कैसे करेंगे? See, the basic method that we do is we do copy, go to this sheet and then click here and then paste it. Correct? है ना? But what I want to paste it in all the 5 sheets. So what we will do, see, हम क्या करेंगे? I'll do the copy and then I'll select this cell sheet and then press Control on my keyboard and then select all the 5 sheets like this. ठीक है? दिख रहा है?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Click any of the cell and then paste. जब आप करोगे, so what will happen? It will now paste it. It will be pasted in all the sheets. दिख रहा है आपको? देखो. Whenever I'm clicking on a sheet, it is pasted there. है ना? Clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. With the same thing, let me tell you one more thing. Now, sometimes what happens is I have to make a data for 5 groups. चलो मैं Excel open करता है. Now, ये I need to make data for 5 groups. ठीक है? तो मुझे 5 sheets में अलग-अलग बनाने हैं. ठीक है? Now right click, rename group A, rename group B, rename group C, rename group D, and group E. Group E. And what I want serial number, name, mobile number in each of the sheets. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? The same thing in each sheet. तो अब हम कैसे करेंगे? See what I can do. I will just select all the cells by pressing Control. ठीक है? And any one of these sheets I will start writing. See, serial number, name of the student, then course, address, then whatever you want to do, you can easily do this here. Colors वगैरह देने हैं आपको. You can do the colors all. Borders. ठीक है? Go to this borders. Then select the colors. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now done. So when you are done now, you will see that each and every cell is having the same data. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
whenever you want same thing in each and every sheet, so what you can do, select all the sheets together and then create in any one of the sheets. So it will happen to all the sheets. Okay. Done. Shall we move to the next topic then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now